Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, hola, my name is Karina, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today's video, as you can see, I am in my bathroom and I have all my lights and everything going on because today we are going to be cleaning and organizing my skincare products, my hair care products, as well as like body products, body scrubs, body washes, lotions, because girl, my drawers are a hot mess. I recently bought a new cart, so I will be getting rid of this one. Not getting rid of it, but I'm just going to be putting it somewhere else. And I figured, why not film me doing this? Like, if I'm going to do it, then I got to show my internet besties what is up. I also went to Dollar General to get some storage bins, so hopefully we can get some good use out of those. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's a little bit different than my normal content, but if you want to continue to see videos like these where I organize, clean, declutter, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Let's start with decluttering, cleaning, and organizing my whole bathroom pretty much. Let's go ahead and start with today's video. Okay, so let's start on this side. So we do have a his and hers bathroom. My husband's small little side of the bathroom is over there, and mine has taken over. I currently have this cart right here, and this is where I keep all of my skincare products at the moment. These are things that I'm currently using. These are the products, like I said, that I reach for either every night or every other night. Now in here, I have a lot more skincare products. As you can see, it's just pretty much everywhere. There's no organization here. And then in here, I also have my Kenzie product. I like to keep this in here because I am currently doing a little laser hair removal at home. I have some gloves. I have some stuff from Madison Reed. This is what I use to dye my hair. More hair care products. Let's see, I have more face products. And this is the reason why I'm getting rid of this, is because it gets stuck on the sides. And then here is just kind of just thrown around. Coconut oil, pads, more cleansing oils, face washes, a random bowl. I think I use this one for my face masks. And then here I have more of like tampons, things like that. So I want to tackle this first before we go into these drawers. And this top one is where I'm currently keeping all like my body washes, not my body washes, sorry, my body lotions, body sprays, and body scrubs, or no, bar soap. So that's where I have that. I also want to organize this. I just don't know where I want to put it, but we can think about that in a later time. And then down here I have my hair care products. I have a lot more upstairs, but I'm just going to leave this up there and keep these in here. I don't really do my hair down here, which is why I don't have a lot of products. And then in here, I bought some of these because I'm thinking of putting these in here. Here I have extra toilet paper. I have more daily pads, a body wash, and then more pads on the back. So I definitely want to organize this to maybe keep all like the intimate stuff in here. And then on this side, on the top is where I have bobby pins, more lip balms, little facial razors, a little bit of jewelry, things like that. Whew. And this one, you guys, I was gonna say you girls. And this one, this one is so messy. Okay, this is embarrassing. So I use a lot of these little toallitas to clean my face. Like I use one every night and then get a new one. But look at how many I have. I also have here this little like hair thing so my hair doesn't get wet. I have my deodorants. I have my little sleeping pills that I use sometimes. Just a mess. It's a mess in here, so definitely gotta organize that. And then this drawer is where I have extra skincare products. So products that I haven't tried out yet that are still new. I have my skincare sleeves in here. So just things that are still in the box. That's where everything's gonna go in here. So that is a lot to go through. So I think we're gonna start with this, since this is like the biggest task for me. And we're gonna clear it out, see what I need to throw away, what we're gonna keep, and then we can start organizing. Dun, da, da, da. So this is the new card. It is a little taller than I thought it would be, but that's okay. I think these little knobs, I can turn it down if I wanted to make it shorter. So now the question is, where do I want the skincare products to go? I think what I'm gonna do is I am going to use put the products that I very much use that I use all the time at the very top, and then just work my way down. And then down here I'm gonna put like all the intimate products, like my pads and things like that. So I'm gonna tackle this really quick. I'm gonna speed up the process so we're not here forever. Let's go.
Yeah.
You know, when you start a project and then you immediately regret it. That's me right now. I'm like, why did I set up myself for failure? Because I already don't want to organize everything. Okay, so I should have had like a plan ahead, because I don't know what I'm going to add to this second tier. I think I want to bring out some of my body washes and body scrubs and put them in there, because that's like overwhelming. So to give myself a little bit of peace of mind, because I don't know what to do next, I'm gonna just tackle this spot, because I know for sure that in here I am going to be putting all of these. So I'm just gonna clean this out. I'm probably gonna throw this away, honestly. I didn't even like this body wash, but we're gonna clear this out really quick, give it a quick little wipe, and then we're gonna add these in here. Hopefully both of them fit. And if you guys are wondering where I got these are from Dollar General. If you go into their like kitchen section, they have these for $5. And they fit, yay. Okay, so we are going to be adding all of these in there. I'll see what I add in here. I know this is not gonna look any better because of all the tubing, but that's totally okay. So let's start organizing. Okay, yay, that is done. This is what it looks like. It's nice and organized. Honestly, I don't have my hopes up too high. Lincoln loves to come in here and just grab a handful of these and just throw them everywhere. So enjoy the view while it's clean. Now we're gonna move on to the tier. Back to the tier. Yes, I feel like these little containers are the perfect size to put in here. I feel like maybe 3 of them would fit in here. But I just don't have time to go back to the dollar store today, but maybe another time, and I will update you. I don't know, but let's just start with the cleaning. I just bought this new Caress body wash. It's their new charcoal and pink lotus. Oh my goodness, it smells so good, and you can buy it at Family Dollar. I am obsessed with the scent. I'm also going to move these down here because they just make a little bit more sense for me to keep them here. So I am just going to make room for them right there. Last but not least, the new Tropic Glow Firming body butter from Tree Hut is amazing. I love this stuff. I'm gonna put this at the very front. Okay, that is all done. And I am now going to move on to this drawer. All I really need to do is just organize it, just like fold my towels, and that's it. I have the bad habit of just throwing things because I am that person. But P.S. this is such a cute little hair thing that you put on a shower cap, I guess that's what it's called. I have some little headbands. This is a makeup eraser, best thing to exist. And we're just going to clean this out. What? Why is there a sock in here? What? Anyways, I'm going to clean this out and then we're going to organize. Much better, nice and organized. Now I think we're gonna move on to one of the last drawers, which is the hair tools drawer. I just gotta organize a little bit and clean it out because there's tons of pelos in there. So let's get to it. Much better. I still feel like I would need some sort of little organizing bins, but we're done. Taking these out since I'm not really using them right now. This I like to keep it in here because sometimes I'll come in the shower with a full face of makeup, and this is just kind of easy to grab, take off my makeup. This is a shaving oil. I don't really like this, so I am gonna set it aside. And then I have the two soaps that I'm using right now. I use this. I also use this hair mask, and then I have my sugar scrub here. This stuff is really good, especially if you have nails. It helps with scooping the sugar scrubs, and I just need to organize this a little bit better, so let's do that. This needs to be put away. Okay, so I think I'm going to take out my body scrubs and then put them in here. I don't know, decisions. This might totally look so different. Or maybe I should just leave them in here since they have water in them. Let me try to arrange them and then we can figure it out together. Okay, so here is the after. I have my face wash, makeup remover over here, shampoos, hair mask, and then up here I have all my body wash. Down here I have all my body scrubs, my shaving cream, and my foaming wash, and then my razor, my hairbrush. On this side is the sad side where my husband has his body wash, my baby's body wash, and this I'm gonna keep it there for now. I'm gonna order me like a little bar soap holder, and then here's just where we keep our shampoos. And this is what this is looking like. I still need to figure out what I'm gonna add to the bottom. I don't know, but I'm just gonna leave it as is for now. I don't want to overload it because, like I said, Lincoln tends to be all over this place all the time. And yeah, I'm just gonna leave it as this. So I love the way this turned out. I love these, you guys. Definitely a must-have if you like to organize. I'm gonna go back to Dollar General maybe tomorrow or something and pick me up some more so I can fix these drawers, but they look so much better. This definitely needs a little bit more work, but that's where it's going to be at for now. And this is the hair care products. And then we have the like hair ties, little face tools. Here I have all my face towels, headbands, little makeup removers, clips, extra razors, and then my deodorants. And then on the bottom, I just have all new skincare products that I have not tried. So that is it. Oh my gosh, my makeup looks so horrible. Can you tell I've been working hard? My face looks super oily. I've been trying the NARS new, come here. I've been trying the new NARS matte concealer or matte primer, and it is not for me. Come here, bub. Come here, mama. Claire's always like wanting to be with me. Come here. So that is the end. That is the end of today's video, you guys. That is my decluttering and organizing of my skincare products and my body care products and all that stuff. So Lincoln is crying. I gotta go. Thank you for being here. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video.